Have some wicked beach muscles when this is done.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll look like Shane when this competition's over.
I'm trying to give my forearms a rest.
Here we go.
The worst part about the entire competition is the freezing cold rain. There would be a little teaser of warm rain that would make you feel nice. And then, whoa, right then you would just get blasted with cold water. It just shakes your bones.
I hate you, Dad!
Why do you think I hit it?
I know you hit it!
This competition is freaking brutal. We are standing on the side of this ship, hanging on for dear life as the ship moans and groans, tilts and turns. It's horrible. It's really a living nightmare. And if everything else isn't enough, we hear these seagulls go by overhead. And then bam, all over us, faces, mouths, everywhere.
Nasty. Oh my God.
15 minutes ago, I'm sitting with 3 players in the game and I'm on cruise control to $100,000. Next thing you know, I'm hanging on for dear life, having seagulls defecate on me on the side of a pirate ship. I'm not a happy camper right now.